time for dinner! Where are you?
I heard that. You must be hungry. Here, I brought you some curry.
No way!
Right about one thing. I do need to get good enough to beat Kimihiro, but I want to find our team a third member first, or we're not even going to be able to compete in the tournaments. I can't think on an empty stomach. I need some ramen.
Are you strong, old man?
Who's the kid? Kinda rude, isn't he? What the hell? Should I toss him out, Master?
1A, huh? Most say, huh?
What a beautiful day. What the hell is that thing?
So, here you are, Inugami.